Hi guys, this is Maddie Matt. Have you ever been stranded somewhere and your phone is low on your battery, or your phone is just totally dead? Your USB plug in your car is not working because you blew a fuse, or you simply don't have a USB plug in your car, or you have a cigarette lighter from back in the day, and it doesn't work anymore. Well, this iPhone Slim Charger 3-in-1 USB hub is the best thing since sliced bread. You can carry it around wherever you go. You can throw it in your pocket, guys, or women, you can put it in your purse. It's very light and it's thin. And all that you do, it comes with this cord here. This is a USB cord. This cord, and it comes with different cords. You can buy one with a cord like this, or you can buy one with this kind of tip, depending upon which one you want. I think they come with different tips. Well, you would have to charge it first, and the way you charge it, you will push this part in here. Just like this. And I know everyone has one of these at home. So you will take this out, put this in one of these charge ports here, plug it into the wall, and you put this in this way. And this is how you would charge it up. When you first get it, it'll probably take about maybe 2 hours to plug it up to get it to the full strength. Here's the button on the side. So you see my bars are all the way across. If it's not full, then it will just have 2 of these dots available. 2 of these dots lit up. But this is fully charged because I charged it before I make this video. So this is what you do. You unplug it from the plug, and you'll take this part and put it into the iSlim Charger USB charge hub. And then whatever device you want to charge, you will take it and put it in that device. You see? It automatically popped on. You automatically see that it is charging. And it's lit up, so it's actually charging your device. So you could be stranded somewhere. As long as this hub has been charged before you leave, then you won't have to worry about your phone going dead. This actually, a charge can actually last on this for maybe 2 days. This also charges wireless headphones. These are some headphones that are wireless, and it has a charging hub here where you can just slip this in here. And it is actually charging the headphones. Isn't that neat? I think that is so neat. You press the button, turn it on, and see, you can see the red light on the headphones. It's actually charging the headphones. Now, all phones don't come with this particular cord, or all phones don't have an inlet that's made like this. So I got an old cord from another kind of cell phone that I have, and I'm going to plug it in here. See, it works as well. So if you're looking for a great gift for Christmas, that you don't want to spend a lot of money for. This cost about $16, $17, and I think it's well worth it to give to a man, a woman, or a child. It also says that it can charge up a laptop. I'm not sure about that. I didn't have success at the laptop charging when I plugged this up to the laptop, but that's what the instructions says. So again, this is a great stocking stuffer or just a great gift. We're getting ready for Christmas. Christmas is in December, so enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.